Hi guys, in the previous program the interest amount came automatically, but now I want my interest value should come after pressing some button. So remove handler and write some button. Okay, so same program I have taken four attributes. One is amount, rate, time and interest of type decimal. So with the help of div tag we are displaying these to end user, and we have taken two buttons. One is show button and one second button is reset button. Okay, and this is the component. If I'm passing the values from the application. So this is the controller. So let's go to the paint to validate or to check what exactly happened. Okay, first I am passing amount. I'm passing amount as 1000, rate of interest is 12 and time is 10 years. Okay, so this amount and rate and time, same program whatever we did, but some small change. Okay, this amount will go to the amount attribute and this rate will go to the rate and this time will go to the time. Okay, we are not passing the value, we are not passing the value to the interest. We didn't pass the value to the interest. Now what I'm going to do is, so when I click the button show, okay, let me check the output first. Update preview. So amount to 0, rate is 0, it is updating. So we are passing the value amount 1000 from the application. See, so from the application 1000, rate of interest is 12 and time is 10 years. So see, these three values automatically came. And interest, if I press the calculate as interest, 1200 will come. Okay, if I reset, all the values become 0. Okay, how this output came, let's check out. If I press show button, okay, so that means, sorry, this is the label is the calculate and the action is show. On click, if I on click the calculate, what happened, this show will connect to the JavaScript, that is controller. If I press reset, on click, this reset is connected to this area. Okay, so if I press the on click button on the calculate button, okay, this show method calls, so this code executes first. If I click on reset label, this reset calls this reset method and this code execute. Okay, simultaneously both will not execute at a time, only one will execute, right? Now, so with the help of the, for example, if I press the calculate, the show method will call, and inside the controller what happens, see this amount will come here. Okay, with the help of component.get, we are calling this amount attribute inside this controller and this rate attribute in this and time attribute into this component, and we are storing these values in the where amount. Okay, I'm sorry, where amount, rate and time, these three variables I have created. You can write a or t also. Okay, I'm initializing one variable called interest, which is equal to amount into rate into time. If I write a, if I write t r here, you can write r here. If I write t here, you can write here. So ptr by 100, the principal, rate of interest and time by 100 gives the interest amount. So this value of, see, this variable interest now stores the interest amount. Okay, now this interest I am referring into this controller with the help of component.set to set the value. So this interest now, so this interest I am passing from this interest. This means whatever the value which is available in this interest variable, I am passing that value into this attribute. This is the attribute, this is variable, remember please. Okay, so what happened? So this interest variable having some value which is equal to total interest amount, which is stored in this interest variable, which is here, so that from here we are displaying to the end user with the help of div tag. Okay, of course we are remaining three variables also, three attributes also we are displaying to the end user. Okay, if I press the calculate button, this will happen. So that's how we are getting 1200 as the interest amount. For example, if I say reset, that means I want to reset all these values to 0. So that's why if I click on reset button, so this reset calls this reset method, and this VDOT amount becomes 0, VDOT rate becomes 0, VDOT time becomes 0, and this VDOT interest is also become 0. And we are setting back because we are setting component.set, we are not getting, we are directly setting the values to 0 and displaying as 0. Thank you.